So today we have really big news from Princess. Princess made a big press release talking about what is behind the black door. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Friday, October 13th of 2023. And I want to start off, of course, I always ask you to please subscribe to our channel because we need to have you with us, and I honestly think that you need to be with us too, and you will enjoy being part of our amazing community here. Also, if you appreciate these updates that I give you, will you please give this video a thumbs up? Thanks so much. Now, Princess made the big announcement today, and I am wondering if they did it today, October 13th, which is Friday the 13th, on purpose, because what is behind that black door that they have been teasing us about and kind of making everybody guess was announced today, and it is called Spellbound. Princess is partnering with the Magic Castle in Hollywood, California to bring a unique experience to their brand new Sun Princess. So I thought I would tell you a little bit about what they said in their press release. We need to talk about it a little bit, as well as go through what Magic Castle is in Hollywood, California. So first of all, in their press release and in their, I saw it first on Instagram, and I'm, on a different time frame than I usually am here. We're in Norway, so we are right now 7 hours ahead of Eastern time in the United States. So I first saw it on Instagram, which made me go look for a press release on Princess's website. Now, they say that they are going to be, let me tell you officially what they said that is going to be. They are going to be doing mind-bending entertainment, surprises with themed rooms, and theatrical cocktails served by sleight-of-hand servers. So this is clearly a unique experience that people will have to have a reservation for and will pay for in order to participate on the Sun Princess. Of course, we don't know yet if this is going to roll out on any other ships in the future, maybe the Star Princess or any of the other cruise ships that they want to include this on. So let's just plan on it being on the Sun Princess for now. So how this basically works is you go in, and it sounds like you go to the music room first, which is decorated a lot like the music room is in the club there in the Magic Castle in Hollywood. It's got the same kind of decor going on. It says paintings to pique your imagination, really eclectic and unique ephemera, the decorations and everything. So while you are in the music room, you are going to meet Isabella, who is apparently a spirit who will tell you her stories of sailing on the Sun Princess. So that should be entertaining. And then you move along to the parlor bar, where you are going to meet Artemis the Owl, who you will come to know with an interaction with a skilled illusionist. So the whole situation, I guess he'll probably bring Artemis to life, and they're in the parlor bar, and then you're going to move into a 30-seat theater where you're going to have the show going on. So it'll be really interesting to me to see how they have their reservations available. Are you going to be able to book it before you go on your cruise? Are you going to have to wait till you're on the cruise? How will you make your reservations once you're on the cruise? How much is it going to cost? All of the things that we wonder about. One interesting thing I want to tell you, though, is I was thinking, would I want to do that? Would I not want to do that? And one thought that came to my mind is, as I was learning about this, is when you go to the Magic Castle in Hollywood, photography is absolutely forbidden, and if you do take pictures, they confiscate your pictures and you are not welcome to ever come again. So I am sure that when you go to see Spellbound, when you are on a princess ship, you're not going to be able to do any video. So I wouldn't be able to video it and show it to you at all. It's just going to have to be all of us sharing our experience when we go. Thought I would bring that up. So it sounds like a very unique experience. I think it's kind of fun. Weren't we all kind of thinking about what we thought it might be? I thought that it would maybe be something like an escape room, something that would be a little bit more for families, since they are putting that Park 19 on the ship and everything. But clearly I was wrong. This is not where you would take children. So it'll be just really fun to see the people that would go on a princess cruise just to participate in this. Would you book a princess cruise, or very specifically a sailing on the Sun Princess, just to get to experience Spellbound? It sounds really interesting, doesn't it? The other background that I wanted to give you. If you're not familiar, as I was not familiar with Spellbound in Hollywood, it is a private club. And the only way that you can have dinner there and watch a show is if you are a member or if you get a ticket from someone who is a member. You have to go through those channels. You don't just call and make a reservation. The other way you can do it is to book a hotel room at the Magic Castle Hotel. And if there is availability in the club, then they can make a reservation for you and you can attend that way. They say that dinner is about $75 if you want to do that. I looked up how much a hotel room. Right now you can book a hotel room for $239, and that doesn't include taxes. So just to give you a ballpark there, but it is a little bit spendy. If you are not a magician or an illusionist, it costs $6,000 to join, and then you have to pay $225 a month just to be part of that club. And so to me, it seems like it's only really something that people will seek after that really enjoy magician shows, illusionist shows. And when you think of who will be performing those shows on Princess Cruises, the press release said that they will be choosing, there will be hand-picked world-class illusionists and magicians that will be doing those shows on the ship. So I think it is going to really probably be quite a special event to attend, something that you would want to do as part of a special cruise or just if you really enjoy those kind of shows. But clearly with only having seating for 30 people and being on a ship that size, they are not going to be able to accommodate having everyone who is on the cruise experience that during their cruise, all right? Unless they run it constantly, okay? Now, the other thing that I wanted to tell you about this is as I was watching all the information to go with it, it really is something that really departs from the entertainment that we have historically seen on cruise ships. And clearly Princess is trying to have a whole nother kind of cruise ship here. This on Princess is something different than we've had before. And so in the comments below, let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about Spellbound as the new entertainment and experience that will be there. Like I said, let me know if you would book a cruise with Princess just to go on that. Let me know if you've never cruised Princess and now you're going to. I think that would be really fun to know, and anything else that comes to your mind as you think about that. Clearly today is Friday the 13th, and I think it is significant that they announced it that day. So let me know what you think about all of this. I really value your opinion and look forward to hearing from you. I'll be talking, let me tell you this really quick too. Today we were in the Lofoten Islands in Norway. We had a splendid day. Tonight we are a little bit late putting our video out because we have spent our time looking for the northern lights, chasing the northern lights, and we got to see the northern lights just beautifully. So look for my video tomorrow with lots of information about that as well as some more cruise news. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.